Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We have a gorgeous Prada wallet to show you today. It is in a really beautiful leather. It feels incredible. It's really nice and soft. And we've got lovely gold hardware. I think black and gold is just a perfect combination. It's just a really nice classic but versatile wallet, as you'll see when I show you the features. So we've got on the back one zipped pocket. So that zip still works nice and smoothly. And you can see you've just got that space inside there. And then we've got flap closure. It's got a press stud fasten on either side, so I'll just open those up so you can see. It is leather all throughout that interior. And on this side, we have got one long notes pocket and we have got 4 card slots. And then on this side, again, we've got another notes pocket. We have 6 card slots here. And then we have a zipped compartment just there. So again, we've got that space in there. We've got some Prada tags in there, which I'll show you in a second. And then we've got one more notes pocket on the front, and we've got another 2 long flat pockets there as well. And then attached to the inside, we have this little ID tag, which has actually got a further 2 card slots in there. And it's actually removable. It's just attached by a little press stud on the inside, so you can just pop that out, and then you could even use that just on its own if you didn't want to use the whole wallet. It even doubles up as a little card holder as well, which is really sweet. The condition of it is perfect. We've called it excellent all around. There is no wear to it at all. All of that leather is perfect. The gold hardware, still all very shiny, no scratches, no marks. The interior, again, is perfect. You can tell that it's just brand new, unused, in a gorgeous condition. So we've called it excellent all around. If you would like a few more details on it, go to the link in the description below. It is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list, so if you were really looking out for one of these, don't worry, just let us know, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll get you on the request list for one of these, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that is the request list. Exact measurements are going to be on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference, because even though it is a wallet, I think that I can fit my phone in here. So I've got an iPhone 12. I can fit that in there nice and easily. And I think that it would just double up really nicely, even as a little evening clutch as well. Because it's a nice size. You can either fit it into your everyday bag. It's nice and slim. But if you wanted to use it as a little clutch, then that would be really, really nice as well. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have a Prada box, and then we have a Prada envelope, and inside there we have got 2 Prada tags, 2 Prada product cards, and then we've just got a little false Prada credit card as well. So if you love this, go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, and don't forget, while you're on our website, you can sign up to our newsletter, and when you do that, we will send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that discount. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very, very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.